Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will show you how to send your own story to a good friend, to your parents, to everyone that you want to send your DM to. Alright, I will help you out with this struggle, so let's start with this quick tutorial. Alright, if we go to our timeline, we have to tap on our profile picture right in the bottom there. And if you tap on our story, not there, but story, you will see this. If we now tap on send, we can send it to a friend that we are following, or maybe someone that you don't know if you have a public Instagram account, but I want to send it to him. You can type in a message if you want, like hi. And now if you do send, my own story got sent to the one that I select. And now if you can see, you will receive one story of mine with hi, because I already sent one story to him, but now he received it twice. So this is how it works. If you find this tutorial very helpful, please smash a like. I wish you a very good day, and then I have one thing to say, and that is thanks for watching. Ciao.